We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the HERHOTER Galaxy Projector, a star projector designed to create a relaxing and visually stunning atmosphere in bedrooms, living rooms, and party settings. This device projects a mix of red, green, and blue LED stars and aurora effects onto walls and ceilings, offering a variety of color combinations and lighting modes to suit different moods and occasions. The projector features 7 types of LED background colors and multiple lighting effects, including a flowing aurora effect that adds depth and movement to the starry display. Users report that it creates a romantic and soothing ambiance, making it ideal for winding down after a long day or enhancing special events. One of the key advantages of this projector is its RF remote control, which allows users to adjust colors, brightness, lighting modes, speed of aurora movement, and turn the device on or off from a distance. The remote also enables switching to sound mode, where the light reacts to ambient sound, turning off when no sound is detected. This feature is particularly appreciated for creating dynamic light shows synchronized with music or ambient noise. The projector includes a built-in timer with options for 0.5, 1, 2, or 3 hours, and a sleep mode that automatically shuts the device off after 1 hour of inactivity, promoting energy efficiency and convenience. In terms of design and build, the projector is compact and lightweight, measuring just over 3 inches in each dimension and weighing 5.6 ounces. It has a modern rectangular prism shape with a white plastic finish, making it unobtrusive and easy to place on a table or mount on a wall using the included mounting system. The device is powered via USB and requires a CR2032 battery for the remote control, both of which are included. Users have noted that the projector needs to remain plugged in to operate, as it does not run on batteries alone. Some have mentioned that the USB cord can be somewhat heavy, causing the projector to tip over if not securely mounted or placed on a stable surface. Performance-wise, the HERHOTER Galaxy Projector delivers a bright and vivid light show that fills entire rooms, with adjustable brightness levels to suit different preferences. The speed of the aurora patterns is customizable, allowing users to slow down the movement for a calming effect or speed it up for a more energetic vibe. The color options and combinations are diverse, though a few users wished for an even broader palette. The laser star effect is generally well-liked for its realistic starry sky appearance, although some have found the laser stars slightly distracting or too bright in certain settings. Durability and ease of use are strong points for this projector. It is reported to be sturdy and capable of withstanding minor accidents, such as being knocked into water and then dried out without damage. The remote control and on-device buttons make switching between modes and settings straightforward, even for children. Many parents have shared positive experiences of their children enjoying the projector, finding it helpful for bedtime routines and creating a comforting environment. The projector has also been praised for its versatility, suitable for decorating bedrooms, parties, weddings, and holiday celebrations. On the downside, the projector must remain connected to a USB power source, which may limit placement options unless an extension or additional USB outlet is available. The included wall mount has been described as somewhat flimsy or awkward to use, which could affect stability when mounted. Additionally, while the projector offers several lighting modes and colors, some users desire more variety or customization features. The laser star brightness can be a minor annoyance for sensitive users, though this is not a common complaint. Overall, the HERHOTER Galaxy Projector is a well-rounded and affordable device that excels at creating a magical starry atmosphere with ease and flexibility. Its combination of multiple colors, adjustable brightness, speed control, sound activation, and timer functions make it a versatile choice for anyone looking to enhance their living space with ambient lighting. The compact design and included remote add to its convenience, making it suitable for users of all ages. While there are minor drawbacks related to power connection and mounting, these do not significantly detract from the overall positive experience reported by users. If you are considering a star projector to add ambiance to your bedroom or living area, this model offers excellent value and performance. We encourage you to check the link in the description to support the channel and explore the latest pricing and availability. If you own this projector, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your input is valuable for the community and future buyers. In summary, the HERHOTER Galaxy Projector is a durable, easy-to-use, and visually impressive nightlight that transforms any room into a relaxing starry sky. Its features cater to a wide range of preferences, from soothing bedtime settings to lively party atmospheres. This product stands out as a top contender in the category of nightlights and ambient projectors, combining functionality and aesthetic appeal in a compact package.